chewing? Huh? Careful. You sink. That a girl. Good girl. I gotta go this way and watch my steps. Whoop. There you go. There, now it's not so deep. You should be able to go now. Do you hear the wind? Is that all the wind? Hi, my beauty. Have you got kisses? Huh? Gonna run? Oh, there's a dog up here. No, that's not yours. Hard trudging in, isn't it? You want me to clear you a spot, or are you going to do it yourself? Oh, it's windy and cold. This is what foraging looks like, eh? In the winter time. Come on. That's gotta be better than hay, I guess. Huh? What is it? Use that muzzle, push the snow away. Good girl. What do you hear? That's the snow plow, or the salt truck. Bay color. Yes, you are sweet and beautiful. That a girl. Where are you going? It's not your playground. Come on. Thank you for waiting for me. Not much good stuff there, is it? Huh? You gonna go back in the yard? Hey, my girl. Okay, let's go back. You lead the way. Oh no, this way. Come Put away. Yeah, this way. Come on, Ginger. There you go. Come on. Come on in. There you go. Let's go to the barn. Good girl. It's yucky, isn't it? That's my girl. Come on in. Or not. You're my girl. You're Ginger. You are a stubborn one when you want to be. Huh? There you go. No, you can't give nibbles. No. Yeah, your favorite treat. Are you making funny mouth? Making a funny mouth? Huh? Yeah, let's go. Oh my baby. One more little treat. That one's a healthy one. Where are you going? Is the gate open? Why don't you come in here out of the wind and the rain? I guess not, eh? You're an all-weather girl. Whatever the weather, you're out in it. By choice. Yep. Hi. Hello, my angel. Hello, my angel. I'll give you kisses. Yeah? Yeah. Oh, yes. Good chin rub. Good chin rub. It's always good for you, hey? I don't want me in this video. I want you in the video. Oh, you're going to start rooting again. There's nothing in those pockets. There's nothing in those pockets. No. You're thinking about this pocket over here. Hey, Ginger? Yeah. Silly girl. You're all about the treats, about the treats. No kisses. Here you go. Where are you? Hello. Hello, my girl. I have nothing. No, there's nothing. Oh, maybe there's some raisins in that pocket. Is that what you're smelling? Huh? Trying to dig in my pocket for snacks? Oh, getting impatient. Getting impatient. Oh, okay. Let's see. Is this what you're looking for? Okay. Okay. There you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, oops, there's my fingers. If you can get your nose in that bag for a few raisins, you can have them. Silly girl. Oh, wait. Here you go. And I think that is enough sweets for you for today. Next thing you'll have lemonitis. Yeah. Diabetic horse. Right? Nope, there's nothing left in my hand. You can lick it clean. No, you can't eat gloves. Hi. Are we done? Is it nap time? No. It's rummage. Rummage for more snacks. No, you can't have my headband. That's not snacks. Say goodbye to everybody. Ginger? Hey. In here. Look in here. You stubborn thing. Say goodbye. Oh my goodness. Someone's getting sleepy. See you, my girl. I'll see you tomorrow. You stay in now? No. Last chance at treats by the gate. Huh? I gotta go. It's miserable outside. Hello, my girl. Hi. Coming back this way? Come on, let's go this way. Ready?